In today's competitive market, having the right expertise can make all the difference. DesignForge offers top-notch engineering consultants for your projects, ensuring success from start to finish. Our engineers bring specialized knowledge and innovative problem-solving skills to tackle even the most complex challenges. By hiring DesignForge consultants, you save on recruitment costs and overheads. Our flexible contract basis allows you to scale your team as needed. Our consultants implement best practices to streamline operations, ensuring your project runs smoothly and efficiently. Gain an unbiased perspective with our external consultants, bringing fresh ideas and innovative solutions to your projects. Our experts are well-versed in risk assessment and regulatory compliance, ensuring your project meets all necessary guidelines. DesignForge consultants not only solve problems but also transfer valuable knowledge to your team, enhancing their skills and capabilities. By outsourcing engineering tasks, your internal team can focus on core business activities, driving growth and innovation. Partner with DesignForge for your engineering needs. Contact us today to learn how we can help your business thrive.